Okay, I am P. Subbarao, professor with the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Chalpati Institute of Engineering and Technology, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Today, I'm going to discuss on decision tree learning. This and the next video will be on decision tree learning. Given an event, predict its category. Examples: who won a given ball game? The event is ball game and prediction is who won a ball game. How should we file a given email? What word sense was intended for a given occurrence of a word? Event is equal to list of features. Examples: ball game, which players were on offense? Email, who sent the email? Disambiguation, what was the preceding word? These are all events. Which players were on offense? Who sent the email? What was the preceding word? These are all events. Given these events, we have to predict its category. Use a decision tree to predict categories for new events. Use training data to build the decision tree. Decision tree is built using training data. Generally, you have generally have data. From that, you develop the decision tree using information gain and slowly you do it from root to terminal. Okay? You see, training events and categories are input to decision tree. Given training events and categories, decision tree learns them, and when a new event is presented to decision tree, it gives the category based on its training. Okay, that's what that figure tells. Use a decision tree to predict new categories. To predict categories for new events. Use training data to build the decision tree. Use training data to build decision tree. Decision tree for play tennis. Outlook: sunny, overcast, rain. Sunny. Humidity. See, this decision tree for sunny it has expanded. For example, for outlook is equal to sunny can have humidity, and humidity can be high and normal, and for high it is no, for normal it is yes. Each internal outlook and humidity are internal nodes. Each internal node tests an attribute. What is the attribute? In the first case is outlook, and the second case is humidity. Each branch corresponds to an attribute value node. Each branch corresponds to an attribute value node. So attribute values for humidity are high and normal. Similarly, attribute values for outlook are sunny, overcast, and rain. For outlook, there are 3 attribute values. For humidity, we have 2 attribute values. And the target concept is either yes or no, or the category is either yes or no. Each leaf node assigns a classification. Word sense disambiguation, that is the example taken. Given an occurrence of a word, decide which sense or meaning was intended. Example, run. The first meaning is move swiftly. I ran to the store. The second meaning is operate. I run a store. Third meaning is flow. Water runs from the spring. Length of torn stitches. Her stockings had a run, etc. So there are 4 cases here, and they need to be trained. The dictionary need to be trained on this, and once it is trained, if you give ran, it means move swiftly. Like that it takes. Categories. Word sense labels, run 1, run 2, etc. to name the possible categories. There are 4 categories there. Features. Features describe the context of the word we want to disambiguate. Features describe the context of the word we want to disambiguate. Possible features include near of W. Is a given word near an occurrence of a word W. POS, the word's part of speech. Left W, is the word immediately preceded by the word W, etc. These are some features. Here he has given 3. And features describe the context of the word we want to disambiguate. Example decision tree. POS, near stalking, near race. If it is near stalking, if it is yes, then it is run 4. If it is no, still there is a classification. If it is near S, then it is run 1. If it is near race, then it is a run near river, then it is run 3. See, sample training data. Here he has given 7 instances, and the target concept is word sense. There are some features. In the previous concept learning, we call them attributes. Here we call it features. There are 4 features, and there are 7 instances, and there are 4 target values. Outlook is equal to sunny and wind. See, outlook is equal to sunny and wind is equal to weak. Then it is a S. Similar, outlook is equal to, there is no other S in that diagram. So there is only one S. Every other is generally conjunctions are, dictionary can be described by disjunctions of conjunctions. Here he has shown a conjunction, but you can have disjunction of conjunctions. For example, here outlook is equal to sunny, or outlook is equal to rain, sunny or wind. Okay, is equal to wind. and wind is equal to weak. Anyway, here the description is not clear. According to me, you should say it like this: outlook is equal to sunny or outlook is equal to rain, and wind is equal to weak. Then the disjunction of conjunction is formed. See here, the final disjunctions of conjunction is there. Outlook is equal to sunny and humidity is equal to normal, or outlook is equal to overcast, or outlook is equal to rain and wind is equal to weak. Okay? I stop here and continue in the next lecture.